Have you ever been in a Google Doc or maybe in some Google Slides and deleted something thinking that it was gone forever? Well, there's something that Google's built in. It's a great feature called version history. And version history allows you to restore to a version of your document that you may have created earlier. So nothing is ever lost. Not only that, it provides us with some valuable insights into student learning. So let's go into version history. So in Google Docs under Files, and I go to version history, I can see my version history. On the sidebar here, it gives me the version history, allows me to use a drop down to get a bit more granular in terms of the various versions that I might want to see. You'll also see that there are different colors that indicate the user's changes within the document. So here the green corresponds to here. These are all the changes that the user here that it has the green dot has made. And so if we look at this user who is highlighted in purple, we can see all the changes that they've made, including any edits that they've added, information. And then we also see some of this down here. This is strike through. This indicates that this was deleted. And if we were looking at something that a student did, this might give us some valuable insights into the student's work. We might have a conversation in terms of why it was deleted. It might be some very useful and good information, but the student just might need some support in helping develop it and work it through. So it allows us to see quite a bit within the document. Now, if the document was deleted, we can restore it to any version by just clicking on the version that we'd like to restore it to, and then clicking on the restore to this version. This feature is also available in Google Slides, once again by going into the document, going into File, Version History, and seeing the version history. The way it works within Google Slides is it indicates wherever there was an edit in the thumbnails with a blue square around it, the edited area. So I can just select the slide, and then it indicates this is where the edits took place. Now, just recently, within the last number of months, Jamboard has also included this feature of version history. So to get to it, you arrive at it a little differently. We click on the three dots, and we select See Version History. And then it works pretty much the same in looking at all the edits and then restoring it to whatever version we would like. So there you go, version history, very helpful in restoring documents. Nothing is ever lost, but it's also a valuable tool in allowing us to look more deeply and have some insights into students' thinking and learning as we view their progress through documents and their writing.